Okay, Orne, welcome to my Google Meet presentation. Shall I begin my presentation? Okay. Okay. Welcome to my Google Meet presentation. Today I'm going to introduce a new tool, Canva. Have you heard of Canva? Okay, one second. Oh my God. Let me see. Okay. See, this is Canva. One second. Let me begin from the beginning. It's so that you can understand. I hope you will follow this session very much. Otherwise, uh, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? No, one second. Yeah. Okay. So right now you're going to see a wonderful tool for teaching and teaching for it's called Canva. Uh, to reach Canva, you can just type Canva in the browser, canva.com. And when you go to canva.com, you will reach this page. Okay, Canva, you can just try this, canva.com. And when you type canva.com, you'll be taken to a page like this. Okay, and this is my home page. I have already logged in. So what you have to do is you can log in using your Gmail Google ID. Okay. So once you get started, you can create your own ID with Canva. So it's up to you. You can create your ID or you can log in with your Google ID. And Canva is a good tool for creating posters and designs. So you don't have to be a good graphic designer. So anybody can create beautiful posters and designs in quick, I mean, in no time at all. You can create it in seconds. So let's see how we begin. So what you have to do is to let us click create a design. Can you see my screen? Yeah, let me create a design. So for example, suppose we are going to create a birthday card. Let me just type birthday. When I type, you can see lots of templates: birthday poster, birthday invitation. Let us go for birthday poster. Yeah, then they will show you different templates. Templates are, we can see the different 100,000 with hundreds of templates available freely. So from all these templates, you can just click one. Let me click one. When you click one, this template will be saved to this page. Okay, it will come out to your working area, your canvas. Clicked. Okay. Yeah, this is the birthday card we have just selected. 1 minute, all the graphics will be loaded soon. So this is the birthday card we have selected. So maybe it takes time to load all the graphics. 1 second, you can select some other card as well. No need of waiting for the same card. Let me select this one. I think the network is creating some kind of issues right now. 1 second. Uh, okay, let me select. Okay, this one. Yeah, this is the birthday card we have selected. The utility of Canva is that you can edit all these things. For example, you want to say happy birthday to somebody else, your niece or your kids, like that. You can just type in here. You can type, you can customize. Got it? You can write yeah, whatever you like, and you can edit the image. Suppose you want to edit the image, you don't want this image, you want the photo of your kid or your maybe some photos like that, background image. You can edit, customize this image, or you can go to this page. Here we have lots of photos. Just, can you see? Go to the left. Yeah, There are hundreds of images. Okay, suppose let me for example, I'm going to click this. Okay, so this image comes here. Okay, then so we have got two images. We need only one image. Okay, and then just we can delete one image. Okay, just click it and delete. Okay, so this is the image I have selected. So this I show you how to customize the images. No, this is not the apt image for you, but I just selected it how to customize the images. So you can select your image, and you can even select the background. You can change the background, you can change the color, maybe go to the front top left. Okay, and then you can go and select your favorite color, maybe this one, and type enter. Okay, yeah, when you do that, okay, let me click this color. 1 second. I think network is a bit slow, and I think the graphics do not get loaded so fast. Okay, this is the way how we change. So you can change the text, you can change the images, and if you want to add some more text here, you can just click the text icon here and bring it here. Okay, and so that you can, so here there are two text boxes, as we find in PowerPoint presentations like that. This is the image box, this is the text box. Okay, and if you want to add some more text, you can also do that. Okay, 1 minute. So yeah, here we have another text box, and here you want to edit something, you just type something here. So whatever you do, imagine you suppose you want this text to be bit, bold. You can just go to the top and select the font type. Maybe select the font type 144. So the text will be a bit larger, I think. So all these things can be done very easily, and we suppose we want to add one more page. You need one more page. You can just add one more page, and go back again to templates. Go for some other beautiful page you like. Okay, for example, this one. You can also select blank pages. You can also select blank page. With blank pages, you can add text boxes. Okay, with blank you can add text boxes. Here there are some boxes. This is one image box. Okay, you can edit it, you can remove it, you can bring it back, you can replace it. So you can do whatever you like. This is an amazing tool. Canva is really amazing. You should start. Yeah. So for example, you have classroom activities, classroom practice, events, classroom events. For example, maybe an event in the classroom, a discussion or debate, or any public event. You can create posters, wonderful posters. And when you complete designing your posters, what you have to do is to go to this section and download it. Okay, so there are two things to remember. You can download it as a PDF version, and if you download it PDF version, it's good for printing. But there are other modes. For example, we have JPEG, PNG, and JPG. Okay, JPEG and yeah, these versions are good for sharing on common social media platforms or learning management systems. So we can select JPG or PNG for sharing on internet, or if you want to print it, you can go for PDF. So these are the things we can do with Canva. So Canva is a very useful, brilliant, it's an amazing tool for creating posters and designs in no time at all. So anybody can do it. So the teachers or the creators need not be a graphical designer. But once you start doing all these things, you will become a graphical designer. That is the other side of it. Okay, good luck. Try Canva and come out with beautiful posters. So do you have any doubts regarding my presentation? No, I see. If you go deeper into Canva, we have so much to discuss. But I mean, made it very short so that we can end up the meeting quickly. Okay, okay, you can go. Yeah, 1 minute. You can also download. Once you download it, let me download it. Okay, let me download it first. JPG. I hope you remember I made a couple of posters and downloaded for the beginning part of our course. I don't know if anybody noticed it. uh, I think I made these things with Canva. Okay, we have two options. You can print now. You can this is one option. So we don't have to print it right now. So the downloading is finished. Okay, we can okay, and you can also share. Click the share button. We can share with people. We can share with people in the list, or you can just copy the link. Copy the link and you can share it with others using our social media networks or whatever things we have. Okay, so these are the enormous possibilities with Canva. Okay, any doubts regarding Canva? Thank you. Yeah, sure, you try it and come out with your comments in my yeah, column, forum, in my post, for my post. Okay, so I think I can wind up my session right now, and let me close this and close the record button, and you can start your presentation. Okay.